get the fuck on my space. Replace me on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape.
Yo. Okay, y'all can hear me. So today, I'm going to be, packing for the storm that is coming. So there is a storm that is coming. It's a snowstorm. So I am going to be packing for this. So I'm packing 3 outfits. Yeah, so I'm literally like packing 3 outfits. So I got my little bag right here. And yeah, so the reason why I'm packing 3 outfits is because I'm packing one for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, just in case there's I don't know if we're even going back to school Monday. I honestly don't know, but if we are, and I'm gonna pack some clothes for that. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and we're gonna get right into this. Got some leggings right here, and I got this black shirt. Oh, one outfit, and then underwear bra for that. And do this. I got one outfit complete. Hold on. So, this shirt, and then these jeans that I got right here. So those are the underclothes for that. Alright, so we got a third outfit. So this like green like little shirt right here. It looks like this on the back. And then it got this on the front, so that'll definitely go with this because it got the little, yeah, okay. So this will be the third outfit. And then the underclothes for that. As far as like toiletries and all of that, I have that at home. Oh, I'm not gonna pack that. I mean, I may pack that like just in case, but I'm gonna do that like tomorrow because I do still have to take a bath and everything tomorrow. So I'm not gonna pack that today, and I still have to pack my devices and all of that. So yeah. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. And as far as the shoes, like, I'm gonna pretty much be wearing black shoes, like, with all these outfits. So, yeah, pretty much my black Crocs with all these outfits, pretty much. So, yeah. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And, yeah, this is my little bag. It is fully packed now. And, yeah. So, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.